Welcome back to all. Let's start directly the painting. Today also I'm using acrylic. So these tubes for this new painting, and the painting size is 1 by 1 feet. I mean 12 by 12 inches. Stretched canvas on a wooden frame. So I put it all the colors directly from the tubes in the center, light colors and all the warm colors. um, just use a brush to blend them, but I wanted some new type of strokes there. So there are so many experiments um, in this time, while I'm mixing these all colors and covering the white uh, canvas. But the purpose is like a fire. I want to give an impact of fire in a very luxurious feel, some festivals are coming. So the lightning festivals like Deepavali and the new year will be celebrated uh, in the 2026, uh, in the end of December. So I think in that time you may like, but I am preparing such paintings for that occasions recently. So I thought that fire, fire's look inspires, energetic and very warmth feel. So that I'm trying to give such emotions in this painting. In this process, I am covering all the canvas with the colors. So after the final layer, it would be a complete artwork. And until I get the satisfaction, like I told you about the fire impact in this painting, so it would be energetic and very bright, because while I will make the cracks, the textures according to my style, um, this layer must be very bright. And this is the most easiest painting with acrylic, uh, from while I have started the characterism abstract style. um, and this painting, during this painting I was getting so easy to make the blends and colors and even the textures also. You will see further. And I'm telling you, please subscribe my channel. If you still not subscribed, please subscribe and like and comment after watching full video. And I want to know from which city or which country you are watching my video. Please comment in the section, and you can recommend me on what topic I should paint, what type of impact you want in paintings or abstract arts. You can suggest me, and I will surely make the video, and also I will create a painting for your given topic, your given idea. Oh, finally, on the next day, I got these all layers completely dried, and now it is the time to make the textures and the final layer of the colors. So in the center, I painted orange color over the white and the lemon yellow. That created a central visual of the fire. And here I use my painting knife to make the cracks, the textures, as you see in my all videos. I use sometimes nails also, but in the acrylic, nails are very thin to sharp these uh, cracks, these textures. um, So I'm very comfortable with the painting knife, and in this painting, see, the cracks, all the textures are very beautiful. And if you also thinking the same, please comment. The second color is red over the oranges tone in the first layer. And after just painting this layer, I've started creating the textures, because acrylic colors dries very fast. And this is very important to make the textures in this technique before drying the layer. And this is the final tone of brown, actually the burnt sienna have the darker tone over the reddish brown. So I think it would be best look like a fire. And as I wanted, this is very explosive explosive look. And here I have signed. And I'm very happy to tell you that I have decided the title of this painting. The title is Jwala. Jwala means fire. um, and the Jwala also used in some mythologies, Hindu mythologies in India. And this is a Hindi word. So I would like to the name Jwala. So please comment and subscribe my channel, comment and like, share, and please suggest me the next topic for the video.